volunteers. We will not embarrass you. And you will be making sound effects. You won't have to talk, probably. While you're thinking about who's going to volunteer, let's have the people who are going to be taking a little trip, Roger and Lou. Now you will have microphones. You'll have your microphones.
Always wanted to do that.
What did you do?
Don't worry. We're in control.
Can I see? Just do it again, please, please. Oh, ow. Okay. Now, you guys weren't shy a few minutes ago, and some of you had more than one drink, so let's think about who wants to come up and do a sound effect. Don't make me come and get you. How about back there? At that back table? Our friends from Maricopa. Anyone want to come? How about this table? How about the ballroom dancer friend? Come on up. You can do it. Thank you. Go with Nancy. She'll escort you up. See what a lucky... He's taking his phone just in case. Call 911, yes. We need someone else who will do, honestly, it's fun. Someone else? You want me? Okay, come on. Go with Nancy. Take this. So, okay, so how this is played is that these gentlemen are going to be going somewhere that, somewhere, think about it, that has a lot of sounds, that make a lot of sounds. For example, and we're not going to do this one today, for example, a haunted house, that would have a lot of sounds. And the reason why I say we're not going to do that today is because our show in Cottonwood, in the Saguaro Room, is coming up October 30th, and we will be having haunted house there for sound effects. So we're saving that part of the game. And while I'm saying about the Halloween show, it's our second annual Halloween show. While I'm telling you about that, I will tell you that tickets go on sale October 5th. It will be in the Splash for those of you who live in Sun Lakes. And hopefully you will all want to come and join us again at that show, October 5th. If you know that we sell out very quickly, as you know. So get online, and I'll tell you about that if you want to ask me the email address for that. Get online October 5th and get those tickets as fast as you can. It will be a dinner show similar to this, different menu, but actually one of the things I think is a Halloweeny, hot dog, get it? Anyway, October 5th, 10 a.m. I believe. Good question. Okay, so where can they be? That has a lot of noise possibilities. Yeah.
Train station.
A train station? Yes.
Disneyland.
Disneyland?
A park.
A park?
A zoo.
Yes, sir?
Circus.
A circus? Let's go with a circus. All right? That has a lot of sounds.
Yeah,
Now.
about the animals.
What? Sue, you want to move up a little bit? Now, you will speak in the microphone like a singer when it's possible for you to make a sound when you're only making a sound for what Lou says or does. Okay? So, for example, if Lou talks about a cow, because we have a lot of cows in a circus, don't we? What would you do? That was wonderful. Okay, and for example, if Roger talked about a dog, what would you do, in your microphone, what would you do? Okay, got it? Okay, go.
All right, here we're going to where are we going today?
Well, I thought we were going to the circus.
Yes, we are.
The Dingling brothers are in town.
Okay,
You know.
we only got about 200 yards to go, and my car. What's wrong with it? It's not. There's something wrong with the engine. Yeah, that's you. Something wrong with the engine.
Oh, I think you got a flat tire besides. We're close enough. Park it right here.
Let's park it right here.
Shut it down.
Okay, let's walk.
Let's walk, all right. But what? It rained last night, you know, there's puddles. I'm kind of getting stuck in the mud here.
Okay, here we are inside the circus. What do you see? Oh, there's a clown. Look how funny he is.
I'm not laughing.
Clowns usually laugh, don't they? Oh, there's the clown.
There's a clown.
There's the clown. Okay.
You can laugh.
All right.
You know, he's got, that crazy clown, he's got a crow on its arm. You can hear the noise of the crow.
All right. Very good. Okay, oh, look. Here comes the elephants.
And there's a monkey on the trunk. A monkey on the trunk.
Oh, look at that little.
I think the monkey's got a fever. It sounds a little sick to me.
Yeah. Oh, look at that poor little boy. He lost his balloon and now he's crying.
Oh no! I lost my balloon!
It's up so high it finally popped.
That must be an awful small balloon.
Now, before we're going to the big top, I'd really like to get something to eat. I think I see a popcorn machine over here. Vendor.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Get your popcorn, Mom.
It's not popping.
Oh, there's a Luke jet going clear across the sky. That poor jet. I hope you guys got parachutes. All right. Oh, and look at the motorcycle guy. Motorcycle guy.
I think there's two of them, actually.
Oh no! The two motorcycle people, they crashed! No.
Somebody call 911. Here
I
comes
guess-
an ambulance.
Here's the ambulance. I guess we gotta
This is circus is never going to happen.
go. Okay.
Good fun, though. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.